Hi, I'm Mark Anthony and welcome to my YouTube channel. And today for this video, I wanted to share with you some of the key things that will actually hold you back from creating your reality. We've heard so many times over the years that we are creating our own reality. And what does that really mean? And what is it really that's holding me back from doing so? So I've been teaching personal and spiritual development for the last 17 years. And some of the really key things that I've found that will actually stop you from creating your reality is a lot of your unconscious belief systems. So many of us have beliefs around money, first of all, that will stop us from creating more abundance in our lives or creating the life that we desire, because it's important to understand that money is one of the tools that will allow you to receive the things that you desire in life. But here's the real point, is money is not going to motivate you. But ultimately, if you have unconscious belief systems that you're not worthy of having money, or that money is a bad thing, then what's going to happen, and here's a really big one, is that you resent money, then what's going to happen is you're actually going to stop that flow into your life. So even though you may have ambitions that are really wholesome and fulfilling for your life, if money is one of the things that's going to allow you to create that, then your money beliefs are going to stop you from attracting that and allowing it to happen for you. So it's really important to be able to recognize those things. Another really big thing that stops people from creating the reality or the life that they desire is not actually having a clear picture of what they do desire. So oftentimes what happens is people have an idea of what they'd like, but that idea constantly keeps changing. They don't have a solid vision of what they're choosing to create in their lives, and so they're constantly sending a confused message out into the universe, and what they're doing is actually telling the universe that they would like this, but then the next minute they're changing it and it's something else. And it's very difficult to be able to create something if the goalposts are constantly changing. So if you typed into your GPS, take me somewhere, it's not going to be able to do anything. But if you type in an exact address of where you would like to go, not only will it show you how to get there, it will give you options on how to get there. And so that's one of the really important things, is being able to have a clear and definite picture of the life that you desire. So what is truly important to you? What are the things that are going to make you be excited about getting up in the morning to take action? Because nothing happens without action, and action enables reception. And that's the third thing that I really want to cover with you that's important, because so many times over the years I've seen people that are putting so much effort into creating the life of their dreams, to creating what they desire and allowing themselves to experience their desires. But the problem is the action that they're taking is only the last step in the creation process. The initiation process is what's more important. So knowing exactly what it is that you desire, why you desire it, is actually a lot more important than the action that you're taking, because you can be putting so much effort in, and if your original picture of the life that you desire is not clear, then the action that you're putting in is just going to be hard work. So it's really important to have a clear and definite picture of what you desire, and then you take action. And that action is based on taking steps in each moment that are going to help you get closer to your vision of the life that you desire. So it's really important that you're taking action, but it's taking the right action. You can be taking all the action in the world, but if the initiation process, if the vision of what you desire is not clear, then you're going to find that everything is hard work for you, and you're just going to feel like nothing is coming together for you. So there's some of the really key things that I would like to share with you about how to create your reality. So how to consciously create it. So firstly, it's dealing with your money issues, getting rid of all those unconscious blocks that are actually holding you back, because money is the tool that you're going to use to allow the things that you desire into your life. And then having a really clear picture of what it is that you desire, and then taking the correct action to allowing yourself to achieve your desires. And so over the last 17 years of doing this work, one of the biggest things that I've found is one of the most important things is having the right tool to be able to help you make those unconscious changes in your life. And the tool that I've used is Thetahealing. It's a really profound technique, but the key is it's really simple. You can make changes in your life really easily, really quickly, but it's about using the right techniques and using the right action with those techniques as well. So thank you for taking the time out to watch this video, and I look forward to sharing a lot more information with you. Thank you.